Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a headlight bulb on 3 series. These are custom headlights, and there's not much space here, so just to show you, there's like a small, like a window or like a piece of plastic here, and you can actually open this. I'm using like a screwdriver. It's actually, to open, you turn to the left. They hard to turn, but they do. So I opened the other one already. That's how they work. So you turn it this way, it locks, and turn it the other way, it opens. Same here. To the right, sometimes it will just get stuck like in here, so you can just push it in and keep turning it. So as you can see, you get more space here, so the rest you can do it yourself.